Aloha, this is Doña, and today we talk about my beloved D minor scale. This was a short impression about the free play improvising with the D minor scale and its chord. So, if you haven't seen my last tutorial, it is about the D major scale, but today we are in the minor mood and everybody describes minor as mellow and moody, and I enjoy the minor madness. For those who do not know me, I'm Doña, your ukelista who brews you some nice, sweet and tasty ukulele tutorials, and I teach you how to play your string instrument, your uke, your baritone, without having the big, great knowledge and about music and creating your own songs. So let's get ready to rumble and talk about the D minor scale. Okay, so the D minor scale. I do just a short repetition because, like I told you in the other tutorials about the free play, I already did many tutorials about the box shapes and the scales and how you can build them with the magic formula. It's a short repetition, and then we talk about my favorite scale. So in the lower layer it will be D, E, F, G, A, B, B, C, D, and then we go ahead, E, F, G, A, B, B, C, and D. And then we start in the higher layer, which is here at the 7th fret, and we have D, E, F, G, A, B, B, C, and D. Okay. So what is the D minor scale? How it will work for you to create your own music, your own song? What is the mood, the atmosphere of D minor? So like I already told you in the intro in the beginning, for me minor means no sadness, madness, being blue. So the D minor scale is more than just a series of notes. It's a vessel of introspection, healing, and storytelling. It speaks to the human experience in all its shades of light and dark. And it's offering comfort and catharsis to those who journey through its own melancholic melodies. Bam! I think that's the main thing I can say about the D minor scale, because it shows you the light and the dark, and it's healing and storytelling, and it resonates with your innermost thoughts and feelings. So this is the reason why I always use it for my clients in the music therapy sessions, because it guides you through the labyrinth of your darkest and lightest emotions, and it keeps you warm in this cozy blue and mellow mood. And healing can turn out because D is so close to C sharp or DB, which is in the Eastern world or called Sa. And I think we are on the other position of the planet in the Western world. So D is such a healing and enriching scale to our understanding for our human experience. So think about the D minor scale and feel. Enjoy. I love it. It is catching me. It's so heart catching and delight. And for me, it's such a healing energy. And I think if you are at the turning point in your life, use the D minor scale and go ahead. And as you've seen in the beginning, I was playing it percussive and funny. So minor hasn't to be mellow. It is always lovely and nice. I hope I could help you and inspire you through the journey of the free play and finding yourself, healing yourself, watching your shadows to climb up into the light. Love you. See you for the next tutorial, and we go ahead with the E.